Hi, this is Krista from Heinz Brothers Garden Center in St. Charles, Illinois. We are going to be attaching lit garland to the front of this porch today. We have 7 points of attachment and 25 feet of garland for each side. We have our garland plugged in, which is always good. Make sure it's working. And we have our paddle wire attached to all the 7 points that we're going to be attaching this to. You always want to make sure it's in between one of the dowels and then on the top of the patio or porch too. So we're gonna flip this over so we don't have to use a ladder. And my lights went out. We'll plug those back in. We finished up attaching all along the front of the porch. We did decide to take away one attachment point up and do one large swoop across, and that way it'll be consistent all the way across the front of the house. But we did attach our longer swoop onto the column there. And then we are just going to finish up as we come down the railing, and we have our wire here. We will twist the wire to get this attached on that we put on there. And our section is done. On to the next one. Okay, we finished up on the other side, so we have a mirror image of lit garland on both sides of the porch, and we're just going to finish off the front entrance of this with some decorated swags. And the gold goes very well with this house, so we're going to wire these guys on with our paddle wire again, and we use the wire from the ribbon to attach this on. And we will continue on to the next side, and we are done. Fluff our bow. And finishing touches here. And this one might need to be wired up just a little bit. We're finished.